What is the capital of France?
Paris.
How many legs does a spider have?
8.
What planet do we live on?
Earth.
What color is the sky during a sunny day?
Blue.
What do bees make?
Honey.
Which is the largest mammal?
Blue whale.
What is the fastest land animal?
Cheetah.
How many continents are there?
7.
What do plants need to grow?
Sunlight, water, and soil.
Which month has 28 or 29 days?
February.
Why is it important to brush your teeth?
To keep them clean and healthy.
What should you do if you get hurt?
Tell an adult or seek help.
What is the best way to greet someone?
Smile and say hello.
Why should we eat fruits and vegetables?
To stay healthy and strong.
What should you say when someone gives you something?
Thank you.
Why should we wash our hands?
To remove germs.
How do you show kindness to others?
By helping and being nice.
What is the best way to make friends?
Be kind and share.
Why is it important to listen to others?
To understand them and show respect.
What should you do before crossing the road?
Look both ways.
What does being honest mean?
Telling the truth.
Why is sharing important?
It shows kindness and helps others.
What does it mean to be brave?
Facing your fears.
How can you show respect to teachers?
Listen and follow instructions.
What should you do if you make a mistake?
Say sorry and try to fix it.
What is patience?
Waiting calmly.
Why is it good to help others?
It makes them happy and shows kindness.
What is teamwork?
Working together to achieve a goal.
What is gratitude?
Being thankful for what you have.
Why is it important to keep promises?
It builds trust.
Why should we plant trees?
They give us oxygen and shade.
What can you do to save water?
Turn off the tap when not in use.
Why should we recycle?
To protect the environment.
What is the color of grass?
Green.
What do fish breathe through?
Gills.
Why do birds have feathers?
To fly and keep warm.
What is the main source of light on Earth?
The sun.
What is the sound of a cat called?
Meow, meow.
What do cows give us?
Milk.
Why should we not throw garbage on the ground?
To keep the earth clean.
What animal is known as the king of the jungle?
Lion.
How many days are there in a week?
7.
What is the largest bird?
Ostrich.
What is the shape of a football?
Round.
What is a baby dog called?
Puppy.
What color is a ripe banana?
Yellow.
How many letters are there in the English alphabet?
26.
What is the name of Mickey Mouse's pet dog?
Pluto.
What is the smallest planet in the solar system?
Mercury.
What is 2 plus 2?
4.